Hello everyone. Before open our presentation today, let's pray basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, presentation today it's about medical instrument and hospital room. Okay, next slide. I'm Sadira Zahran.
And I'm Asrul Anas.
And I'm Muhammad Holil.
And I'm Robiatul Adawiyah.
I'm Ibtisa. First medical instrument, it's a stethoscope. A stethoscope is a medical tool used to listen to internal body sound, such as heart and lungs. It consists of the chest piece and with a diaphragm and valve, flexible tubes, and earpiece for the healthcare provider to hear sound clearly. Okay, next slide. The function of stethoscope is amplify and transit body sound, helping doctor and nurse diagnose conditions like heart disease, lung infection, and blood pressure issues by listening to heartbeats, lung sound, and other bodily noises. Next slide. First of hospital room, it's a operating room. Operating room is a sterile medical facility designed to perform surgical and surgical procedures that require intensive care and strict environmental conditions. The function of operating room is a perform surgical procedure, treating serious injuries, performing organ transplant, handling medical emergency, perform diagnosis procedure.
Okay. And then microscope. A microscope is an instrument that makes an enlarged image of a small object. This revealing details too small to be seen by the unit eye. The most familiar kind of microscope is the optical microscope, which has visible light focus through lenses. Next. What the function of microscope? The function of a microscope is to observe objects that are so small that the human eye cannot see them. Apart from this general microscope function, microscope functions are also divided according to their parts. There are three structural parts of a microscope, namely the head, arm, and base or base. And this is laboratory of histopathology. What a description. Laboratory of histopathology is the study of tissue samples under a microscope to examine changes in cell and tissue caused by disease. It involves processing, staining, and preparing tissue specimen for analysis to diagnose conditions like cancer, infection, and other abnormalities. And this is the function of laboratory of histopathology. The function of histopathology is to identify and diagnose disease by examining tissue structure and cellular changes. It helps in determining the presence and type of disease within treatment decision and monitoring disease progression. I think enough.
And the next, tools of electrocardiogram. The description, an electrocardiogram is a medical test that records the electrical activity of the heart over a period of time. It involves placing electrodes on the skin to detect and record the heart rhythm and electrical impulse. Electrocardiogram function. The function of an electrocardiogram is to monitor heart activity, detect irregular heart rhythms, identify heart attacks, and assess heart health. It helps diagnose conditions like arrhythmias, heart disease, and electrolyte imbalances. And the next, high care unit. Description, a high care unit is a specialized area in a hospital designed to provide intensive monitoring and care for patients with serious health conditions, but who do not require full intensive care unit support. It offers more attention than general wards, but less than an ICU. High care unit function. The function of an high care unit is to closely monitor and treat patients with critical but stable conditions, such as post-surgical recovery or severe illness, providing advanced medical care and support to prevent deterioration and promote recovery.
And next, ventilator. A ventilator is a mechanical device used to assist or replace spontaneous breathing in patients who are unable to breathe adequately on their own. It is commonly used in intensive care unit (ICU) for patients with severe respiratory condition. Function: breathing support, delivers a controlled amount of oxygen and air into the patient's lungs. It can fully take over the breathing process or assist the patient's own breathing effort. Intensive care unit (ICU). An intensive care unit (ICU) is a specialized hospital ward equipped with advanced medical technology and staffed by trained healthcare professionals. It is designed for patients who require close monitoring and intensive medical care. The room typically contains multiple patient beds, each surrounded by a variety of medical devices, including ventilator, cardiac monitor, infusion pump, and other life support equipment. The atmosphere is often sterile and clinical, with them leading to maintain a calm environment. Healthcare professionals, including doctor, nurse, and specialists, are constantly present, providing round-the-clock care and supervision.
The neck pulse oximeter. Pulse oximeter is a non-invasive medical device used to measure the blood oxygen saturation level, or SpO2, and heart rate of a patient. It works by utilizing infrared light technology to detect the level of oxygen bound to hemoglobin in the blood. Main function: measure oxygen saturation in the blood and monitor heart rate in real time. The next is emergency department. The emergency department is one of the rooms in a healthcare facility, such as a hospital, that is specifically designed to handle patients in medical emergency that require fast and appropriate treatment. Function of emergency room is handling patient with medical emergency and perform in it is portable ultrasound, X-ray, and etc.
Okay, that's for us. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.